Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics. We are in circle. Okay, let us see this class. This class we will finish from question number 16 to 20. 5 more questions. Okay, already 15 questions we have finished. 3 classes we have finished. This is the 4th class in circles, part 4. Like, okay, see what they have asked. This is asked in 2012. If the line x plus 3y is equal to 0 is the tangent at 0, 0 to the circle of radius 1, then the center of one such circle is, see here, they have not given the circle equation. Let me draw the figure. Visualize this. Visualize this, then we will discuss more. See, one circle is there. Okay, first point. One circle is there. Line is a tangent to the circle, yes. See, I am drawing one line. This line is tangent to the circle. That means tangent means just touching at one point. That's all. What is that line? X plus 3y equal to 0. Write down. X plus 3y equal to 0. This is the line touching this circle, but the circle equation they have not given. Let us see what data they have given. More data. Okay. Line x plus 3y is equal to 0 is the tangent at 0, 0. That means point they have given. At 0, 0 means see, touching point is 0, 0. Touching point is 0, 0. That you have to keep in our mind. To the circle of radius 1. See, even though they have given radius 1, that is not no use of importance. Okay, let me write. This is center and this distance is radius 1 unit. 1 unit. Center shall I take h comma k? H comma k I am taking as a center. Okay, wait. Center of such circle is, that means h comma k only they are asking. Center I have taken as h comma k. They are asking the center. How to find the center? Okay, see here. What you have to do? This line they have given. Okay, perpendicular distance if you find this is equal to 1 we can make. But you see here 2 coordinates you don't know, hk. 2 coordinates you are unable to find. Okay, directly. What we can do, we can substitute equation you can find. Equation you can find, but you substitute the values. Okay, like that how to do this, or else we don't have any other option. Let me draw. Let me write this data. You see what I am writing. See, this is the line and the center is the HK. Perpendicular distance. Shall I write perpendicular distance? Okay, see what I am writing. Perpendicular distance. Or else we will do one thing. Why should we take perpendicular distance and making this equation without anything? I want to take one thing. Find the slope of this line. Slope of this line. Why? Because this is perpendicular. Slope of this means minus 1 by this slope is going to become this slope. This slope you take as 2-point and slope equation. Then that also one equation you are going to get. Why I am preferring that equation? That will be normal equation. But perpendicular distance equation is modulus will come. I want to avoid modulus. Okay. Let me do. See, first equation of the circle, equation of the line, not circle. X plus 3y equal to 0. See what I am doing? X plus 3y equal to 0, 3y is equal to minus x, y is equal to minus 1 by 3x. Why I have written like this? Why? Because I want to find the slope. Here slope is slope comma m is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. This slope belongs to line. What is the slope of ck? Minus 1 by minus 1 by 3. Slope of, why? Because this is perpendicular. Slope of, see, this point you can take as P, Cp. Slope of Cp. Slope of Cp is equal to minus 1 by 3. Or you can minus 1 by m you have to keep. Minus minus going to get cancelled. The slope is 3, it is going to come. That means slope of Cp is equal to 3. You have got a slope and you have got 2 points. Even though this is 0, 0, but let us take this as a point. Okay. See, 2 points and slope we are having. Equation you can make. You see what I am writing. 2-point slope equation. 2-point slope equation. Or else 2-point line equation. That also you can write. See what will happen. x1 y1 comma x2 y2 comma slope m is there, slope. What is the equation? y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 is equal to slope. This is the equation. Now just to you simply substitute. What are the points? hk is the point, 0 0 also is the point. Slope m is how much? 3. You take 3. Okay. See, don't confuse. Here I have written only slope, or else I don't write slope. I will write only slope. Why? Because see, m is minus 1 by 3. Again, you have made minus 1 by minus 1 by 3. 3 has come. Again, you cannot write this as m. Okay, that is why slope I have written. Okay, slope. Okay, comma. y1 minus y2, k minus 0 by h minus 0 is equal to 3. Or else k is equal to h, 3h. K is equal to 3h. This is the equation you want. Why? Because this is simplest equation. If you do perpendicular, what we can say, distance equation, then modulus will come. That will be little bit plus or minus. Again you have to take, or else you have to square it. Better you take this equation. This is better. Okay. See. Now you see, nothing you have to do. Simply substitute these values. If x coordinate means what? H. 3 into 3 is equal to 0. Is it okay? No, not okay. You understand? Why? Because see, at 3 0 h, 3 into x is 3. 3 into 3 is not equal to k, 0. Okay, first point not correct. Second point also you see. 3 into minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by root 10 is not equal to 3 by root 10. Okay, why? Because minus 3 is there. Okay, that is why this is also not correct option. Go for third one. Third one. See, x coordinate is 3 by root 10. That means 3 by root 10. 3 into 3 by root 10 is not equal to k minus 3 by root 10. This is also not correct. You go for last option. 1 by root 10 into 3. 3 into 1 by root 10 is equal to 3 by root 10. 3 by root 10. Okay, k. This is correct option. Understand? Like this we have to solve. This is simplest way of solving. Why? Because see, we are in competition examination Eamcet. Rather than doing it in traditional way, we will do to reduce the time. Let us go for 17th question. Okay? Okay. See, question number 17. Eamcet 2007 question. The equation of the circle. Here they are asking equation of the circle. Okay? Of radius 3. R also they have given. Okay? That lies in the fourth quadrant. See, fourth quadrant means both x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. That also we know. Touching the lines x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. What does it mean? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. The circle is touching means. Let me write. Let me draw the figure. You see. See, fourth quadrant means rather than drawing remaining quadrants, I will write only fourth quadrant like this. Okay. This is the fourth quadrant. First, second, third, fourth. In fourth quadrant, 3 radius, 1 circle is there. Okay. Is this the circle? Okay. That is the circle. Why I have written touching those x line and y line or minus y line? You see here. Touching the lines x is equal to 0. See, x is equal to 0 means y line. Y. Okay. Y is equal to 0 means, see here y is equal to 0. This point is y is equal to 0. You see what I am writing? This point, here y is equal to 0. Sorry, x is equal to 0. Okay? In this point, y is equal to 0. Is it okay or not? Why? Because see, y may be minus 3 plus 3, but afterwards it is going to come 0 origin. X may be something, but afterwards it comes to 0 here. Here, this is 0. Okay? This circle is touching x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. And fourth quadrant, I am going back. Touching x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and fourth quadrant, and also radius is 3. That you keep in your mind. Radius is 3 means, see, if it touches anything means automatically from center to this distance is the radius. This distance is the radius. Naturally, this will be radius, this will be radius. Do you agree or not? Okay, if you agree, automatically see on x coordinate it is in positive. That means this will be plus 3. You see, y is 0 means automatically what is this point? This point is 3, 0. Why? Because radius. This radius. This is the radius from 0 to 3. Why? Because radius is 3. They have given clearly. And also this is what? This is minus 3. But you see 0, minus 3. Why? Because y is 0. Sorry, x is 0 here. Only y coordinate is there. Y coordinate in negative side. That is why minus 3 you have to apply. See, radius is a positive, what we can say? Radius is a quantity. You cannot take radius as minus. Radius is 3, but in negative coordinate. Fourth quadrant I have mentioned. You understand now? Okay? Now you don't require anything. Why? Because see, center you require. You see center how you are going to take? See, in x coordinate it is 3. In y coordinate it is minus 3. That's all. X coordinate, the point will be, center will be, x coordinate it is 3. Y coordinate it is minus 3 center. Okay? Now, equation of the circle they are asking. You see what I am writing first? Center as per drawing, center comma C is equal to 3, minus 3, and radius they have given already 3. Okay, then what is the equation of the circle? Write down. Equation of circle is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay? X minus h whole square is equal to y minus k equal to r square. H means what here? X coordinate. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 3 plus k whole square is equal to, minus of minus 3 plus 3 whole square is equal to r square. R is 3, 9, that's all. Okay? Now we expand this. This is the equation what they asked. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 9. You see 1 9 is going to get cancelled out. Okay, now you write down final equation. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, 1 9 will be there. 1 9 going to get cancelled out. Okay, this is the equation of this circle. Okay, see, like these questions they have asked in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. I don't think we require to do more questions. If you understand this question easily or what we can say thoroughly, then we need not go for different questions, different quadrants. Okay, let us go for 18th question. Okay, see question number 18. The radius of the larger circle, that means see largest circle, that circle's radius is asking, lying in the first quadrant. See, fourth quadrant I have done in the last question. But not exactly the same, but you have to take that concept and further you have to do this question. Okay, that is why little bit concept is changed. That is why I have taken this question. Not exactly the same as the last question. Lying in the first quadrant, okay, and touching the line. See, touching the line means tangent. Tangent they have given one tangent, and coordinate axis. Coordinate axis touching means naturally radius will be the center. Both x coordinate, y coordinate, radius will be the center. R and R. See, the two first quadrant means both are positive. Let me draw the figure, then you can visualize this. You see, this is the first quadrant. Y axis, x axis I have taken. Okay. See, here the circle is touching both coordinate axes. They have given coordinate axis touching the coordinate axis. That means, see, it will touch like this. Okay, touching points. These touching points normally radius. Why? Because just now I have seen. What will the center? Center will be R comma R. That's all. Center will be R comma R. That's all. Why? Because see, this is the center. Both sides it is touching. This will be the radius. That's all. From center to distance is radius. Why I have written RR? Why? Because it is in first quadrant. Both are positive. That is why center is RR. That is one thing. Another thing, you see, you go back. The radius of the largest circle you have to find. That means this radius you have to find. In the first quadrant, touching the line, that is important. You see, one coordinate axis has gone, one line has gone and touching this. That means this is a tangent, that point. Okay. What is this line? This line is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. This point, that point they have not given, but you take this point as P, and this distance also radius, you know. That is crucial for us. Why? Because see, based on that one we are doing. There is no question. This distance also radius. Why? Because this is a center, means this is center, R comma R, and that is point. Even that CP is also radius. And say you take this as A and this as B. That means 0A. A is also radius, and 0B also radius, and CB also radius, like we can understand by seeing this figure. Okay. Now see, circle radius you have to find. If it is a quadratic action or modulus, then two values will come. Between two values, largest value you have to take. Why? Because it is asking largest radius of larger circle. Why I am predicting two values will come? Why? Because see, we are going to find perpendicular distance. Modulus will come. Then two values you have to take. Okay. You see what I am writing now? See, this center is radius. Center is radius. You see what I am writing? Line equation is like this. You see, line equation is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0, and center is having R comma R. Okay. Now what I am doing? You see, A x1, B y1, C. What is the perpendicular distance? Here perpendicular distance means radius. Perpendicular distance or radius in this case is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c modulus divided by a square plus b square under root. This is the formula. Okay. R we don't know, perpendicular distance, we are finding this. Okay, see here you have got 4 into R, 4R plus B into R, 3R. Why? Because here both are R, positive R, don't forget. Plus C minus 12 modulus divided by a square plus b square, 4 square plus 3 square, but under root. 16 plus 9, 25 under root 5. Denominator is 5. Okay. But what about numerator? 4R plus 3R, 7R. 7R minus 12. Modulus. That means, see, your R is equal to, again modulus R has come. You see what I am writing now? 7R minus 12 modulus is equal to 5R. Why? Because this 5 into R I have multiplied. Now observe carefully. If I want to open the modulus like this, 7R minus 12, this is going to become plus or minus 5R. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. Now come back again. Send this that side. You see 7r plus or minus 5r is equal to 12 plus 12. Why? Because minus 12 is going to become plus 12. Okay. Here two values will come. Why? Because 7r plus 5r, 7r minus 5r. Write down. 7r plus 5r is equal to 12, comma 12r is equal to 12, comma r is equal to 1. That means radius is 1 unit. Okay, let it be. Actually, 1 is not there in answer also. That is different thing. And 7r minus 5r, second option. 7r minus 5r is equal to 2r. That is equal to 12. R will be 6. You understand? Why we have taken r is equal to 6? Why? Because r is 1 is less. Not larger radius, less radius, small radius. 6 is larger radius. That is why we have to take 6 only. Even answer also there. See, even if they give an answer in 1, after coming here, don't put 1. 6. Why? Because they have clearly asked a larger radius like. Okay. Let us go for 19th question. Okay. Dear students, see the 19th question. The equation of circle passing through point 28, touching the lines 4x minus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y minus 42 equal to 0, and having the x coordinate of its center less than or equal to 8 is. See, 4 equations are there. This question in conventional method are like IPE, public examination or board level exam, like if you solve, this is going to become cumbersome. Okay? I am drawing the figure and I am going to explain how it is going to, what we can say, take time and all. Okay, you see, this is a circle they have given. Okay, this circle is touching two lines, means naturally those two lines are going to become tangents for this circle. See, two lines are there touching this circle. See, one circle, let it be touching like this, one line, and another one, let it be touching like this. We don't know exactly. Okay, why? Because they have not given any, what we can say, this thing. Okay, see, touching at one point, touching at one point. Okay, this line is say 4x minus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. This line we can say 4x plus 3y minus 42 equal to 0. Okay. Another one, the equation is passing through 2, 8. This is also is there. You see, passing through 2, comma 8. Okay. See, if it is a center, from center to this is also radius, this is also radius, this is also radius. That is the logic behind this question. Okay. Why? Because two tangents are touching, means touching point to center is radius. Touching point to center is radius. And passing through one point means that passing point to the center, that is also radius. This is the logic behind this question. Okay, now equation of the circle they have not given, we have to find. How you are going to find it? You see here, all these three you have to find by HK method. HK are three variables will be there, and here square also will come in distance. This is a normal distance, square will come. But this is modulus, plus or minus will come. Here also modulus plus or minus will come. Three equations you have to solve. Then you are going to get the radius. After getting radius, again you have to substitute this in remaining center. HK you are going to get. All this is going to make cumbersome. Okay. See, what is the shortcut method for Eamcet examination like? We have to substitute these values in these equations, that's all. Okay, first equation you take and substitute, second equation you take and substitute, third, fourth, like that. Even though that is going to take a little bit time, that is the easy process and you are going to get. This process is going to make, rather than loss of time, also it is going to become cumbersome. Any mistake will happen, then you are not going to get the answer. Okay. See, answer for this question is second equation. I am substituting see both. See, if this is the circle equation, see, for your homework you can substitute in these three also. Okay, I am substituting only 2, second. Why? Because that is the answer. You see what I am writing? Second equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. First, it has to satisfy with the 2, 8 also. See, 2, comma 8, if I substitute 2 square plus 8 square minus 4 into 2 minus 6 into 8 minus 12 equal to, see LHS or RHS, it has to come 0. 4 plus 64 70, sorry 68 minus 8 minus 48 minus 56 minus 12 56 12 68 minus 68 minus 68 0. Okay, see, point is satisfied in this equation. Wait, now what we have to do, see, not only point, this also has to satisfy. See, this is of no use. X coordinate of the center is hk. See, let center C is equal to h comma k, but h equal to 8 they have not given. H may be equal to or less than, like they have given. That means h is less than or equal to 8. This is why we no use. If exactly h is equal to 8 they give, then we can try with the conventional method. But h is less than or equal to 8 means that is no use for us. Okay, now go back. Then how to find this remaining? Then you substitute. That's all. Why? Because see, in this equation you substitute. Why? Because see here 2 8 you have substituted in this equation. Okay. Now hk also you take perpendicular distance or whatever it may be. Okay. That also you have to substitute. Okay. See, perpendicular distance. This is r. How it comes? Perpendicular distance r is equal to. Okay. See, this not only satisfied. This not only satisfied. You can find also. Okay. Let it be. Let it be. How you are going to find? Center you can find easily by this equation. That's all. Center you can find by this equation easily. See, again I am finding the center rather than radius. First you find the center. You see, here 2g will be minus 4, g will be minus 2. Okay, and 2f will be minus 6, f will be minus 3. Then what about center? Center is equal to 2 comma 3. See, as per this equation, center is 2 comma 3. See, 2 comma 3 center means you find the distance. The distance is our radius, that's all, 2 8. You see, 2 8 comma 2 8 to 2 3. That is equal to, see, 2 minus 2, 0 square. 8 minus 3, 5 square under root. That is equal to 5. Radius is 5 as per one point, but you have to find this also. Wait. See, center we are having 2 3. Equation we are having. Find the perpendicular. You see what I am writing. First equation I am taking. 4x plus 3y minus 42 equal to 0 and point is 2 3 center. Okay. Now find the perpendicular distance. You see, this is x1. Ax1 4 into 2 plus by1 3 into 3 9 minus 42 modulus divided by a square plus b square under root 4 square plus 3 square under root, which will be 5. Why? Because 16 plus 9 25 under root will give 5. Okay. See, but the distance 5 has to come. We should not take up that side first. Let us do it. That is equal to 8 plus 9 17 minus 42 by 5. 42 minus 17 25 minus 25, but modulus will give plus 25. That is equal to 5. You see, LHS is equal to RHS. That means, see, point satisfied, this distance satisfied. This distance also we have to find. Let us find. Let us find that also. See, 4x minus 3y minus 24 equal to 0 and 2 comma 3. Same like that question, that one. Okay. 4 into 2, okay, 8 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 minus 24 modulus divided by 4 square plus 6 square. Here also 5 will come. Okay, you see, 17 4x minus 3y minus 24. Okay, 4 into 2 8 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 minus 24. Okay, see here minus 37 will come. 8 minus 37. Okay, 34, 10 plus 24, 34, but 9 plus 24, 37. Okay, divided by 5. 37 minus 37 plus 25 minus 25. Minus 25 modulus means plus 25. 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. You see, radius is 5. That means distance from center to here also radius 5 matched. Distance from center to this line also radius 5 matched. Distance between center and these points of 5 also matched. That means, see, you have to follow this second procedure by taking each equation. We don't know, the correct answer may be in fourth one also. Okay, we cannot do anything. You have to follow this procedure only. Or else if you go back to conventional method, it is going to take much time, cumbersome also. Why? Because square roots will come, and not only hk, 2hk like that will come. That is going to make you troubled. Let us go for 20th question. Okay, see question number 20. Eamcet 2016 they asked this question. The point where the line 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 touches the circle. See here, line and circle both they have given, and touches this circle, that line. That means the line is a tangent to the circle. The point they are asking. See, rather than going by conventional method, this also you simply substitute these values. Why? Because see, one value if you take in line also, in circle also, it has to satisfy. Let me draw the figure, then you can visualize this very clearly. You see, this is a circle. The circle having one tangent. Okay? This is the point, touching point. The touching point they are asking, the point where the line touches the circle. This line is touching this circle. That point they are asking. That means that point satisfied both equations. Should satisfy both equations, line equation and this equation. Simply you take one point, each point, substitute in line, afterwards substitute in this also. If this is not satisfied in the line, then don't take this for a circle. Again you go for second point, substitute in line. If it is okay, equal to 0 has come, then you substitute in circle. That's all. This is the best method. Why? Because see, for competition examination you have to do like this only. Don't go by conventional method by solving this and all. Okay, finding that radius, and all. Don't do this. Center you can find. Again you have to find this perpendicular distance. A slope will be there. Perpendicular slope. That is going to make you loss of time. Okay. Let me do at 1 1. You see what I am doing. At 1 comma 1, first point I am taking. First I am substituting line 4x minus 3y plus 7. See, equal to 0 has to come. That is why I have not written equal to 0. See, 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 7. That is equal to 4, okay, minus 3, okay, plus 7. 4 minus 3 plus 7. You see, 4 plus 7 is 11. Minus 3, that is equal to 8. But this is not equal to 0. This point is not correct even for line also. Okay? That is why don't go for that point. Go for second point, 1 minus 1. At 1 comma minus 1. If it satisfied line, then go for circle also. Both has to satisfy. 1 minus 1. You see, 4 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 7. That is equal to, see, 4 plus 3. Plus 7. 4 plus 3 minus 1 minus plus 4 plus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 7 14. This is also not equal to 0. That is why this line is also not correct. That point also not corrected. That means not satisfied. Go for third one, minus 1 1. Minus 1 comma 1. Okay. 4 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 7. Minus 4 minus 3 plus 7. You see, minus 7 plus 7, that is equal to 0. See, this point satisfied a line. Then go for this point to circle also. Then write circle also. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. Equal to 0 I am not writing because equal to 0 has to come. Okay? Okay. X square, see, minus 1 square is 1 only, plus y square, 1 square is 1 only. See, minus 6x means x is already minus is there. Minus or minus plus. Minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6. 4y, 4 into 1 minus 12. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 12. Minus 12, 0. That means this is satisfied both. Minus 1 and 1. That is why answer is third one. This is a simple way of doing this competition type questions. Okay? Okay. Now we stop this class. From question number 21 onwards, we will continue in the next class. I think the circle chapter is bigger. We will do 50 questions in this chapter, circle. Why? Because the remaining are, I think, 40 we have done. Let us try to do 50 questions. Okay? Thank you very much.